deliver prayer say fata without that chin. We freeze the time on us man tell when wanna wanna blasters nana nyami the grind. Yeah, Bashamona Suro, Chumo time cross rubber for my Ghana blasters. Yeah, the Nina Yako. Jerry, I come and go. Jordan, are you? Go! Adam Farase, catch! Emmanuel Frimpong, go! Rabbi Mohammed, go! Anthony Annan, go! Tom Nekadia, go! Stephen Adams, catch!
Hey, station radio man Kenya, Okoman Radio, 97.1. Hey!
It's a frame on the beat. Wait.
Oh, to the blasters go. To the blasters go. Hallelujah. To the blasters go. Yeah, yeah. To the blasters go. To the blasters go. To the them go do. Hallelujah. Nyami the grind. Yeah, Bashamona Suro, Chumo time cross rubber for my Ghana blasters. Yeah, the Nina Yako. Okomotia, yes, I am Wapo. Janin Bame, Ghana blasters. Nyami the grind. Wanna baba Suro, Ghana blasters. Nana Nyami the grind. Yeah, Bashamona Suro, Chumo time cross rubber for my Ghana blasters. Yeah, the Nina Yako. Hey, Fatah, you come up for any day are you? But got someone worries for Castle. I demand bed whopper in the jump boy. I think Vasasu Lementary. Yeah, Michael Essien, Prince Batty, baby get bored. Hey, wanna baba Suro, Ghana blasters. Nana Nyami the grind. Yeah, Bashamona Suro, Chumo time cross rubber for my Ghana blasters. Yeah, the Nina Yako. Yeah, the Palmo, the time was our Pasi up here. Luku Kwamani, our young Tete. As well could not do it. Ghana might have a chill. Mama Suro, Ghana Mandamo. So I know. In your wake up and I did the Abubida. See you when you're the most of all. It's in the Jimmy in the South of what Uncle Buffy did, didn't pan a wobble blaster. Check on one so what the ball I would.
All right, into Neno Castro and a Neno on Ecofikinata Kaboma, yes. I say Neno Black Star Bayer Jumano and Tiena just said Jumano so and then on Sumba Bono, not the Black Stars of Ghana. And so to my Juman High Okoman 97.1. Okoman Global Sports and then Eviensono Wasugusua Utie no and ye is a fear ha and ye is a fear no ba Obia Mora or Soro Obia so sharing sa Black Star every time think couldn't and then my Buffita such as here. Aha, it's no Basha girls and the boys and also no Etia Omina Chesen Kunim and Subeti Mako Edamanda Black Stars of Ghana World Cup qualifier. Let to draw our Apiola Sports Stadium, our Abuja, Nigeria, and then the Black Stars of Ghana, and a area boy 5 p.m. Ghana time. Let's say team no so no etimi atnasana just a game na tumi to draw na live commentary so no to draw our Okoman 97.1 Okoman 97.1 and oh baso na ukodi fufuo ni ade kwa brego wadi na ba sa ti fufuo die no sa anete enti no uhim frank him ni ye na ebo 7 na amfa na also no apa media to se ba ka che dada enti no adwo aba transe na ya super transe na ni nkomo na ene no anibra pa executive producer yura Kofi Anson ba for KB po adwuma sa so na ene no head of sports Nana Kofi Okore Ajaman Jaffa Kufu Boateng DJ Vibes DJ Zigibi Donzi Papa the fresh the writer commentator Abigail na finso no Nana Odamia omunya boy choro na finso no jumadi no enso etima apa me say na so no nyina ye dedicate e ama the Black Stars of Ghana na finso bibia aye kama ye be kwa o man so na finso akodi nkomo e na express ni bi edi nkomo e dey afa game no ho eno so eno no me din Kelvin Ampon said you bet my friend A.K.A bibia so no aye kama na da no bibi zanza da na amenye na A.K.A 7 kan na say okay we two big guys
Swell could everywhere. Ghana might have a chill. I'm not sure. Ghana man the boy. So I know. In your work up and I did the Abubida. See you when you know the most of what. It's in the Jimmy in the South of Wadan, Kubu, the day, didn't call Pana, Wabo, Blasters. Check on one. So what the ball with the move front our pass, man. Strong defenders are also to pressure or the ball let the about brand. But I without that chill. We freeze the time on us, man. Tell when wanna blasters. Nana nyami ne crying. Yeah, Bashamona Suro, time.
No, yes, your famura and kakra 5 year the room and check crop ya stantiba journey, but right out and say Super Mama Kwaba.
Super Major so be fine. Mu Naila. Me Bible na ya me de ba no. And brand adwuma hwehwe sa me hu. Yes, Bible ma hwehwe sa me hu, but all the same no. Super uncommon na de ba no. And obi bom nkomo be the same thing. I say so nim Ghana nim no share white. E share yellow.
Say last game, yeah, Friday game no.
Yes.
Before I game about Adwa share white.
Yes.
And I say me nim I need nkomo. And I make catch one say no I share yellow.
You share yellow. And obi so catch him say nim ne share white any yellow. I so share beba. It's red.
You need red jersey. Yellow.
It's yellow. Yeah, show yellow never boy.
And a person the boy buy another boy echirimu white no.
Okay.
Or say white no means I say a bit soaky ade no. That's a bit you better pressure na dey am ho.
Okay.
It's want say a white no. But yellow no so color na a sign of warning.
Okay.
E so warn the am Nigerians say ye ni abre into mo hwe ni ye. And it na on say fiti e ni am ka kire say me yen say white.
Yen say white. Okay.
All right. So wo hu say ayi di kan. But the kind of white Koda.
Okay.
Me. Official Jumata.
Super komo baba and menenam na me ko Prophet Ignatius Nikwe okopiemu ewa blekuma all nation dododo enso ye fan kan fensi o o de abetudwa ese sende emperifo ti omunteni ye Ghana your chance ye be qualify.
Yes.
Se be se qualifier Jordan Ayumbo captain ban for just 3 minutes crabwa. Super any Brazil
mu say na just say a bench party.
Yes say
Richard Ofori and you no be
yes Jojo na be
it is a bench party and Jordan na be captain.
Yes a captain team in the crowd for 3 minutes crowd the field crana Ghana your chance see be qualify.
Jordan Ayu
captain
Jordan yana Ghana for adwani.
But so for say ndra da won ewrade bie ne mo sunsum yase ese Ghana your chance. What you say tell me boss so for ne dia aso na ka no bibi ntino amfani ni what you say you know that this no Ghana government yes it no so for Prophet Ignatius Nikwe ona den koma Akwaaba ba super no so no enye feri agro ye de ma se ne tie for na crop yalti no frel ebuzani ni pani abo ni paso ye yes ati ano komo no endra blaster ye training na super no adana no aiten ye training I can't just win here oh Nigeria for some farm light me do light to a stadium and light off
dum so aba dum so aba
oh dabi
oni mame cho ade
okay chilim
football no bia maka kire say spiritual e pono yansa na pono wona mani so ati ase wo hunhun ya sinimu a na bebe de koso they are trying to let us know say we call ourselves the Black Stars or the Stars. So even in darkness, we have to shine.
Sure.
South Asia. And you know, like will do it to me.
Yes.
But it's part of football. And upon me catch you're a say a part of football.
Sure.
A normal in football. Intimidation is a part of football. Mind games are a part of football. But Ghana, yeah, above Sanya man, your intimidation is not into me. South Asia.
Yes.
And you know, they are telling us even in darkness, the Black Star,
yes,
you must shine.
Sure.
Yesterday
they did it. So light.
Doom so bad Ghana man who is sad that. And but it's normal in football.
Yes.
Normal. Na minim
So I don't know when should be emergency to Suba. Media 2 about 2 about how.
What is that make us out?
I said, okay.
I said,
and the Super all the same now.
But some my catch say
yes.
Okosurba form. Nigeria fortune omo fa 170 million no park and so.
Okay.
Ghana you go.
Super there, my menye na. Because I mean him dey over na years.
Nanke 2 goals but omajimu ama pepa ba na
akaba still na.
One no so no. Tie me.
Abuja
one on so no. Me one need anya do meet maje one need ekura ye.
Ye go dey be se go.
But akase. You be kura one mu.
No.
You protect no.
Okay.
So what I say. One need omu chi omuten one need be se.
Be se bi account.
I see Thomas Partey scoring.
Okay.
And I don't have to catch real. Partey, I see him scoring.
Okay.
Partey must score and Ghana must qualify.
Okay.
Give him that ding.
Hey, Buja.
Give me that ding.
So very easy.
Ding.
I resa better.
Me too say na me too ding. Na me too ding. Nigeria 1 penalty. Nigeria 1 penalty.
Is that
Man fan is that.
Is that I'm for starting to I'm for come Zuba. Yeah.
But say on say who pay come on say na me too ding. Me ampa me too ding. Nigeria 1 penalty.
Okay. One the betcha and one the.
And you no betcha ni obehye.
Okay.
Me say Nigeria 1 penalty.
Okay.
Game no ding wo be win no win to me my prediction.
Okay.
Me who no win here.
But
Edding. Ghana qualifier normal. Ghana qualifier
normal.
Nigeria qualifier normal. But me say Ghana will 1 goal no matter what 1 goal. But Nigeria so a penalty.
Okay.
Who say I share white na? Forget. Okay. Who say I share white jersey na? Forget. We wouldn't qualify. And I'm tia some American. Me say who say I share white na? Forget. And also no super say me anymore.
Super nipa ya boabo ni o. Na nipa da se ni aseda eye those kind of biligo ni nyame but I know them pa but was it 2001 omu sia ye e wo ye match. Say Ghana omu bo 0-0 as say how. Na akwa repeat Russia game na so obi life match ye o to they say. But super say me any but all they say no me was some feeling be say Ghana at least 2-1 bet me ato 2-1
Ghana qualify tie super makacho Ghana qualifier.
yes
Enya me wawa. We must qualify. And then the task I had amomo. Aside the American you know, omonim say they have to qualify.
and they will qualify.
FA ministry. FA ministry. Including the Black Stars,
yes,
the players, the technical body.
Yes.
Omonim say they have to qualify. They must. A must.
And
about constitution you can't shout near the master.
Yes.
Me show they must qualify.
Okay.
You amount $25 million. What a poor game. So qualify. Then a player sniper yen for more here.
And Zuba
Dabio, you can motivation, you can then and then I'm paying for
game Friday Friday no board draw crown and party on my
yes.
Party on my now say papa we Alaji.
Alaji plantain chips
but so what they say me ratio more all the best and you say do their thing. Now so me team this so my beti so no carry team no Ghana enya kotokonya house we Ghana mine munia It is the time I was a Black Stars team. No, I'm did my.
Yeah.
That boy I be said to me, 2-1 for me, no dear. Enya mama Black Stars bet me 2-1.
And you know, Facebook for join here. Na most share jumedi no uko Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook, Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook. Samsung na YouTube Okoman Radio 97.1. I want to be to me join here na follow jumedi no for comment. Any idea for bribe repemono yabekin kind dia ma efia ahene wa dia about some more fire and confirm our team no efia monetization monetization no papa na bibia so eno no club ya santi atena se papa fresh atena se sanso na ajua opoku ezonam ewa ha kokuma se dwane jamia ene no waba yeba be din komo enso ofia ha Black Star na power back send anye waje ne Ghana flag na waje ne Ghana jersey ni ame pe ajo asem so tie futuo me ka asem otie edi be bia na ya brego kakra but me say me Ghana sha white wa sha yellow na mpa ntino I don't know I know the minim say abro say be you wa ha na san frame dia I don't know wa out studio mu a o san frame phone ntino I don't so I asem foforo ba ma me abejafo Akwaaba abejafo Akwaaba.
That one.
Regional minister na na ohwe born say na o kire say we nkojina say kuma say krechi say wo kra so be awie. Papa Fresh.
Yeah, that one.
By microphone mama. Na kasa gum. Kasa se Ghana ni awani abre na pese wi ya microphone ye.
My any ready and soldier.
Any bre wo say any bre soldier. But bibia come on.
Nyame adom.
Wife won ye.
Nyame adom obi an ye.
Okay.
Obi an ye.
Yeah, I'm better.
Yes, answer na ya okeka. Obi answer mo.
I'm better because
Obi answer mo time ma court upon no.
The court upon the indi masem, no there.
I know so go dem afeball.
Papa Fresh.
That one.
Okay. Everybody be din komo. Adwoa say bibia e kama.
Bibia ye boko.
Crop ya twe microphone ben mama. Aha, twe kwa nanim. Aha. Adwoa say bibia e kama.
Bibia de din.
Bibia de din.
Koimboko.
Hey, wajo Ghana jersey no Ghana flag na.
Yenia brave.
Wajo ushisi na say obi nhwe obi anywhere na ntino. Aha. Na kuma se komo kakre. Kuma se say.
Kumasi was great. Who supporters now? Charlie, me experience is such a support that unfortunately goes and beam. But
say me catch you say when you dey e be fa.
Yeah, okay. Me crank me trust I bet. This is ya na obeka bia magye di. Kumasi was great off and on the pitch nyina bibia was okay. We just hope and pray say no more ball no ho. They should play double of that. And my one and only thing I keep saying, party. I heard party was playing to instructions. That I don't know, it's just a rumor out there. But if it's not true, crap, party mbomo de amboboy.
Instructions send the minimum brefi. Send na bo mu.
Send na all ball Liverpool. Send na all ball City. Onya man of the match. Party mbobo sama yen. Because seriously, I didn't see that way. Did you see it that way?
Not at all.
Exactly. Inti party yire no on ku ne ho. Party yire no bobo na ope bia de be ma no. Ni ope bia de be ma no.
Ya party pe bia.
Now, this by 7 p.m. I hope the Black Stars qualify. To be frank, on a more serious note, we need to qualify.
Yes,
we really do need to qualify. In team Pamucho, Omo by Ghana for you, I found by Bonto Michi. And you a bit to me Nigeria ho. You a mom because Ghana, Kati, Ubiabe Kobi, Okra, Matisse is a Katano. O say we are overcall. Then I mean, and see all the best to Black Stars.
Okay, in the share the game itself, and I draw Pokuya Opoku Ezonam. And what's in Kano? Krobia Asante, Mama Akwaaba
A.K.A.
Krobia Asante.
A.K.A.
Krobia Asante.
Aha, bibia ye kama obadi ase. Yendana siye pa boy homoden ama nei. Yetumi asa sorry bio asa ba na chese. Papa obonimo yemfa asedaman. Happy birthday and come the president of the land. President, the Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Yes. Happy birthday. Enko enfamano. Nyame emani ni mudie ene adwempa enfamfa o my Ghana ho. No pagea o my Ghana enfankudu ne mpempen so a ese na ti so na afoforo nso no ekodu ho. Enti no president ende jiwutu
na me hope say Ghana Black Stars and so ebema dano aye sronko ewo na no so we enjoy our life.
I say enye twe kura na omo win ma His Excellency.
Yes.
And omo qualify ma His Excellency.
Yes. Okay. Na bibia so no anye den. Enye kama. Akosu ansa no wo mo ho. Me oba ho ache we ke. Se wo ma e banu mo.
Akosia.
Ba me nim se no me pese wo be chance opahini. Se no wo be hia we hia so de ade fe.
Se material no ntoma na wo ne. We want to have be wa me pam wie ntino.
Okay. We my din
Atmosphere no down.
Yes.
Ghana.
In your man so koso we Nigeria. And my member the Ministry of Youth and Sports abaso. Very 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 good initiative na we take it by say we take ticketing. All the Ghanaians are more Nigeria. O person won go share game ni bi a free ticket. Now so wait to me akọ share game ni bi. Yes, I think say ye be bo mu nyina abaso 40,000 capacity Ghana ha ye nyan. Ame bobe. But Nigeria for aya dibia na nka me expect say Ghana be ye bi. Emom de Ghana ye bi da. Me kai 209 210. Ghana Black Stars e bobo. That time about 12 wo mu say ye pon school. Ekuyapemwa nyina ye pon school due to Black Stars game. Into wo ma ye bi da but ade ba kon Friday no nipa pi ne nso entumi enfia kra anko no ye djuma sem. Wo she time a wo mu be pon adwuma sana wan travel to Kumasi na do ye nya full stadium de but and no ya there Nigeria for this time wo mu take notice of it na 1 p.m. when ne pepepe obi bia pon adwuma Nigeria wo mu enko wo mu so that is a very good side from them wo mu so ehwe ni mu se nyoma betumi akoyi ma ontimi mbo ministry no abaso e wo that initiative wo mu so etumi take no okay.
Okay, and here crowd be asante and somebody at you antino story you made in command sir. My Mr. Semfi Papa Fresh war. Yam share and a given a basono Ghana playing away to Nigeria. In first leg near me so and they yakudu team Ghana krakodu Nigeria. Near me so mind games and Nigeria for play even a press conference they say team Ghana here doom light. And sana a press conference na here baso Ghana training session na ye doom light yes so near doom near dia. Near brand near measure and you know tactics are expected from both coaches and both teams.
Diamond, I'm in chair here for an area and I'm Okoman 97.1 radio so. I think sir Ghana a game where Nigeria boy no. I think sir players in the ball more than but Ocean Yama 1 or 2 beer and to me and my Ghana and to me and create a lot of chances to a game now. Ocean attack now. Now quite one man attack because talking about no man nice striker no. Problem on that very day and it's a surprise number and Ocean that you know to me ultimately say Ghana person ye be at the boy Ghana but surprise now number into when to me and yasa kwenya no am they needed results no but I think say ene wo hwe ekwan a team no etimi boru mu Nigeria ehun some say Ghana ekwa training ene sa niam na esisi no eno de yenu South Africa football de sa niam na de ewum and even abrofo ne de cry etimi hu niam na bebre say supporters attack team bases ene na say for enti eno de enheda enye mo an we so I think say ene anyumre yes expect guys and so betimi amom musu kakra wo game num because o share previous game na ye boy na no e fiada na I think say yetimi ema omre so kakra and ketimi enya results papa de fi e Kumasi and ye me expect a very good game and and ade ba ko mani age ho e va na ye gu so a e di dwuma no I think say e be bo Africa papa because ye hanom mostly no o share games na more times no I say controversies near doors room but Ocean na no niesi or babara na nka nyeva maybe na nka Ghana consider that penalty but VAR na etimi take a very good decision na Ghana etimi enya draw that game so me expect say na yimre so mountain betimi amon so but me name tactically me expect say na yimre coach and the Otuado ebesesan eye team aye de call eye the ball first game no I need just one change per or that game no because of Abrante and the Ade Ishaku I will say at least yetimi a bench no kakra and going to this game because ye here Kudus any Ishaku me no e for no so o share Babara emra na two guys ni nyina e no I say omu bitia no mu di do anim ho a surprise na enko air striker no nti e ma your chances e create I be result in the goal no na e very slim and then anyimre me hwa no say at least no ye benya eye Kofi Kyereh so a very fitter ye benya Kofi Kyereh na anyimre no atimi aginam e de ama Ghana because ye nyina nim say ye players omo ebo amanone no ne ono wo form pa e Kofi Kyereh and because of not only enya nti knock on nya nti wantimi ayeden and feature first game no ba mu in the second half later part crown no ba mu be si akadema Ghana nti and then you me hwa no say so ye fully fitter coach in the best at no ahead of my branch and the Ishahaku say betimi anya the need that results because you hear more men forward because say betimi qualify na yumra A.K.A you hear say be shego and ye shego no at least anya ye kra na nya draw ho no kra betimi aboa kakra but say Ghana ye ko win wo Nigeria de be den yo menka the last time Ghana etumi si de but menka the last time Ghana ko Nigeria e ko win ye enti now no hot
there is always a first time.
Yes, that one there true. There is always a first time but ni ehia ne say ene ye be shegu. Yes, ni ehia ne say ene ye be shegu. And talking about Partey game no, I think say Partey ankasa no since ono join the Black Stars and I say onya call up no. Ye nya Partey na ye nim no ewo ye kan say baby obo no club football no. Ye nya that performance ewo the Black Stars no but nano de ane de ase Nigeria for no mark ni bebre so ye hope say na nwumre no coach no ebetimi find some way a obetimi abo Partey a ebetimi ama because Partey e supply ball no e de ko ye kan say ya attack ho no ebetimi abo an but ye hu that ye kan say ne performance now then e wa Arsenal say Arsenal ball against Liverpool and say Man City no ye nya that performance no anfi Partey ho but ye hope say na nwumre and plus ewo Partey won say Partey ebo captains band na Ghana ye lose game with that A.K.A band ne ball inside ye lose game enti enanyumre menko amenya ya na nka 5 no na captain no edaso ball no because ye nyina nim say captain no I don't know or on can squad no enti I say Partey na ball and we hope say ye betimi anya go ba say Partey ana be she go na dia man de A.K.A me unu say still Nigeria for na nya de ombeja no but I was say urgent ho kakra coach ni Peru bi ebetimi aboa no because you say Baba Drusu na no row coach ni the man so no a defender in the midfield no etimi boy papa do to me nya one of issues are na carry resource in that penalty but penalty na etimi amba mu ne de I think say Baba Drusu e born home de and with this squad na A.K.A ade ba ko a me pese empanfo no hu ni say sisi Ghana ne de cap je ne de e be den de amai kakra but ye build upon these guys emufra we enum a ye form ye kama din num e be kan ho any other players are no more prepare moment me amba this call up na e will say build it from this players near the ko enum and we hope say maybe 2 3 4 years no Ghana e betimi asan si yada mu eke
okay I know your papa fresh and I'm telling Kase ni no so de na jinche etumi ere aba ere afa game Black Stars of Ghana ekwa away no so I need the Super Eagles of Nigeria and so etumi abo no Krobia
A.K.A
finally and ye wie no kura World Cup qualification Black Stars away to the Super Eagles
right okay yenchia ETF nyina na one more ehwe from the social media platforms and one more tie true frequency I think they've been very helpful because radio work has always brought down to listeners and we appreciate their efforts so much and okay you call the second leg encounter against the Super Eagles of Nigeria and we all saw what transpired at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium last Friday. The performance from both teams, how the two teams, the managers in the dugouts that night, how they set up their teams, and they approach now one more person, one more team and play. And after the game, we had the opportunity to listen to both managers, and I think that they were all successful, and I said they were all okay
performance a wɔn nyinaa wɔn team no ɛde ma wɔn. Coach Otoado was okay. In the press conference or the two go post match or you okay from every aspect. Aka 1 or 2 bia on one kasa ohun say a whole leak here or be find a solution to. Then Oxton they go avon and so away performance, it was okay, superb, excellent. I think say in association football from club side, national teams, uba away now benya a draw. 60% ultimatum say the next leg encounter will be hosting your opponent, our home soil, you have that edge over your opponent. Say ube to me a qualifier and I say whichever points are involved in that particular game, ube to me enya. And also was okay within the team, Okay, and then you decide that D-Day uni any other leg, uni any other 90 minutes, any other way be able to play after this particular 90 minutes. Then maybe a proceed to an extra timer, we will still find a winner at the end. So this particular game was it Obodan for Bebofia, Bebodama, Obofinifi, and my Ghana especially because me, for instance, being a Ghanaian, let me be biased in today's analysis. Kakra because that patriotism, President Edina Awada and we didn't catch say we should be what patriotic and not another. We should be what citizen and another.
To be citizen, not
spectators. All right,
responsible citizens.
Yes, and then okay. You be a bit biased, kakra, but towards the Nigerians.
Answer only, and then me tell you see
yeah.
Me raho, only me eti. Edu baby awon. Say a World Cup.
Yeah.
Edu baby so na machine maybe am say me yanko. Only say Nigeria for say 1 PM na adwuma fo bi anko fie me boa.
Yeah.
Ye dey say a World Cup. And so you see am kon 11 see 11 I'm going 11 parliament but this time we can 11 asem this year no okay I'm can 11 asem a Black Star game yes you say a World Cup
one say I think say
oda to aso to men call to aso
well okay Ghana Otoado together with the technical men Chris Hutton George Boateng one ejuma on the day because I will repeat this because it's been so many years. The last 4 years, you a Black Stars teamer I set up. I said you our last Friday. You a Black Stars teamer, team play, understanding, and that telepathy at the back of the defense. You share them for so many years, and the A.K.A Akono ni pattern of player Black Stars cry elbow, and under Milo it was abysmal. So seeing a Black Star sider now I got so low to that extent. Any performance or my that night, Friday, now I'm be then hope we say Ghana edum pempen to be and if say nya break akra Emma penny for any players are one more available current to the stars are one be to me edum pempen to be and no na my nya that hope any boy one to me boy that night okay. Ghana problem at the end of the 90 minutes, it has always been like that. And the CK, Kwesi Appiah, Milovan Rajevac, three coaches in your problem is a creativity and scoring rate and the Black Stars team. And I think that nothing has changed. If you cry, they say cry. Your boy 90 minutes of football. You can create a single perfect chance. You can chance to be able to make it was the Nigerians goalkeeper and the savvy Nigerians from that Boanan Kebe to Miasheko. Yeni bisa, but rather we had few shorter. Yen feel say it was Jojo Walcott and a buy into our 8 and that particular night in Yenya a draw. And the scoring problem eguswa ewoho. And take sometimes we be who say chances ye create. Ana strikers into minsha na ana say striker mi hu ana say yen create into na ma strikers so nche yen creativity the final third ye very low yen conversion rate and so very low because mimi when say obi obetumi ama yen say djuma ni sisi ya no Thomas Partey. He is the best passer in our team currently. But Otoado, as I disagreed with formation post-match on Yankasa Debe 2 go say at a time on na obo 3 back a push a branch a friend Baba Idrisu A.K.A that of Partey Jiku Hono Emma eneno a branch a friend Thomas Partey more of defensive work than Sanko be pushy forward more. And then no amaye who that passes from Thomas Partey. Mohamed Kudus, aside the last 15 minutes, he wasn't in the game. And that 15 minutes, way instincts be a buying some scare mistakes be obey, Emma A.K.A Nenu, frailty first half a unyae, and the first 15 minutes of the second half, A.K.A so, and no amaye who ama in there is Nenu Kudus. But I think say minutes are unyai in that particular game. This game obetumi ayo on top of the game. And if say Oto Ado ebebo 3 backer, it was on fire Abranta friend Joseph Edu Embra. Then that functioning, that efficiency from fullbacks in modern day football yebehu from our fullbacks. It shouldn't be a situation where Wababebo game nimu then good passer of the ball obe to me distribute ball to the final third a supply will ringers now ringers so to me a cutting to or attacking power as an arrowhead passes now. I think say be to me it's either obeko 3 back then give him more room to the full backs talking of the 2 and 3 so be to me a surge forward to help the attack. Maybe to me applying more pressure on the Nigerian defense because Nigerian defense, one more wingers are very lazy when tracking back. Chukwueze, this particular game, I don't think 90% is a game we unstarted. And so Yebenya Adimola, another young chap, very skillful, very good player. Also on any dobe to me, I could say have okay in defense. So if you are going to play the 3 back, I will feel say at a point, now you're very comfortable with it, corner 3 center backs, then it gives room to our Methodist any full backs. So in modern day football, club will be a successful in the last 5 to 6, and currently, women dwell more on their full backs. Oko Manchester City like this, if not Bernardo Silva, and obey one more player of the season this season, it will be Abrante Freno, Joao Cancelo. Check the partnership between Benchiwo and Abrante Freno, Rhys James, their scoring rate, and one more assist rate from last season to this season. Check Alexander Arnold and Abrante Freno Robertson for Liverpool. Enti ene uko Bayern Munich Alphonso Davies and Benjamin Pavard, Joshua Kimmich. So the modern day football obeboa fullbacks a very very integral role game. So I'm expecting a team womu to me womu confidentially womu because in the first game Manchester Hunisa womu Abrante friend Gideon means are very poor ni efficiency when surging forward very poor, but defensively he was solid. He had 5 crosses anchor into the box of the Nigerians. Now fullback European top game be anyone as a top team be better in modern day football.
Oh, I saw Bobo.
Oh yes, and I mentioned say currently, okay, say coaches and especially from the German coaches this time. One more per player, especially this right backs and left backs, and one more full backs one more very efficient when surging forward. And then be na lucky wahanono. So I think say sometimes the quiet we saw from Chukwueze, Ademola Kuti, Moses Simon this time, maybe this time we are going to see a different Moses Simon. We are going to see a different Ademola Kuti or a different Samuel Chukwueze. Joe Aribo, fantastic, very good distributor of the ball, conductor, box to box, and how our pushy ball to the opposing half. And this a player sometimes womu day on any day. Okay, I think that womu be to me a punish any other defenders. Check the teams that womu ball Europe and how womu a ball against these top defenders. So they are players to me based on the 90 minutes play game aye ball baba yara any unim how coach and one more kind anyhow a woman be approach game no maybe that was how they were taught say woman be bo game no na woman nya a draw then woman do woman favorite soil woman to me punish. So we shouldn't downplay this boy say oh Semen cry dan young hu no o Semen. Okay, what the question answer or the mind after say one be say crowd obe hu Kumasi o say wa bo San Siro abo Diego Armando Maradona stadium Giuseppe Meazza inti enye yi Turin. Yes. Yes. Inti when you player wo ba be kire say 40,000 na ye ni bribi. Sometimes these players it to me call off due to the approach a coach fail say them or the paper game ni mu. Then the intention behind the players na nkasa are away games. And African football yenim how away games womo bonefa. The plan a womo de kwa away games and football always be as 10 teams unable away. We are always be our witness 60-70% say womo bu home no womo enya the edge over the away teams.
Nigeria doesn't do well home. We are forgetting about that aspect.
Look, Nigeria debut
in Nigeria in the last 3 games
they are doing everything.
In our competition beam their performance against weak teams. Sometimes team be one will be that rifle has to folk in Ukrainian so on the ball.
It's the same as this one.
Yes.
This one to make us a way of forming. It's the same.
Yes.
But what for me? What happened?
Yes, and if it is the same, this time I can emphatically say the Nigerians they have upper hand over Ghana, not because of
on paper. No, is it on paper?
No. Yes, on paper.
Well, on paper it looks good. On paper it looks good.
Look, history.
Even on paper,
history.
But such competitions, it doesn't matter.
World Cup, we've not been better than Nigeria.
No, Nigeria is also not better than Ghana. Because we winning 2-2.
Yes, and a 2-year draw.
And your last game, no.
The last game I boy, when we say you 3, when we bought 0-0 or Ghana.
Yes. That's the last time Ghana and Nigeria about World Cup qualifying. You bought draw.
What was it 3-0?
2002.
Japan
go for Ghana.
But yes,
but Baronim, Ghana so I do the didn't say as well.
And that's when they surprise us.
Police surprise.
And I mostly they do baby. I am crop for say yeah, quiet cause say scanty me and sa
that's how we need there. And Ben Moody.
Yes, so get me then. It me qualify ahead of team B.
That's how we need them Ben Moody this time. So okay, I think say in all no the Nigerians on paper, history, everything BBI favor omo. Because offer the what the fa ushi akola kra no bisa last time Ghana and Nigeria kra ball World Cup ekoya what say 3-0 no way yin film. Yes. 3-0 we ball 0-0-1 what say 3-0. So Sisiano eneke no aneke yeshe this history then adio those players enye woman e ka ko gina ne managers no different everything bibia different so okay performance okay performance Ghana e dan edi e won Baba Yara and Nigeria performance o mo be dan edi no makacho say enemeye bias kakra president awoda and na ase more kind no I have to yes Charlie okay game no end that form
nkase your citizen be ake because you're responsible citizen and you know show ni amem na carry reality na no more you're responsible you know yeah say be enye ye dey leave your din birthday
okay coach Otoado it was on the plan
ben I was say Otoado
and me expect say obebo 4-3-3 flats
plan ne say Jordan onja ekonabo you know obi obebo kona na
so kudus wo Kofi Chester start Kofi Chester
on po bi for no kona
na Kofi Chester I fit so obebo
na hwe baby amate so jina
okay Kofi Chester unim say Kofi Chester bebo a somebody like Mohamed Kudus should be also benched before and Kofi Chester to me abobi
Kudus should stop playing skillful.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, catch na epo.
Yes. Either because say who person umbo Kudus ni Kofi Chester nyina meaning say one of them I was on for 2 rings which are one mudin to me mau the needed results are open. One to me, the performance I'll be here from them. One to me, farm. So Kofi Chire, for instance, is either one on the best starting ahead of Kudus, and now Kudus the best starting ahead of Kofi Chire. But
player.
Okay, on 4-3-3. But by Drisu, Thomas Partey, and Abranta, your friend Kofi Chire. Set pieces, you know. Kofi Chire. Kudus, you know, Ebeba in that second half, not the die energy naba. That fouls, so be winning fouls, no more near day. Yes. So I think say
up front, you know, in front of
up front, you know, I think say this time. Me share say Yebekono said I will use Wababayarana. But need changes. Oh yes. But need changes from 60th minute. So because unim Isaiah Kuno any Jordan one born is yan. Ye one crop one year same to the asal of player one more bench. Osman Bukari any Joseph Pinto. These are players on any day. They are Jordan any Isaiah could be one.
I feel
yes.
Say, Joseph Pinto should start ahead of Ishayaku.
Yeah, and I'm sure say
experience.
Yes, because Pinto experience a very busy, very skillful on him going say. So I think Joseph Pinto must start this game.
When say sometimes and so no coach be bench player be na unim say it depending how our first 45 minutes in so no
energy Obe you see the defense of Nigerians on Bebre. Then you bring in probably Bukari or Isahaku.
Yes, exactly. Because he's young.
Pinto must start this game if we want to qualify. Joseph Pinto must start.
Me Pinto any Abranta friend Bukari ni Isahaku. Me the me who say on any day their energy, their top notch players are they are one of the Bema on the same. Whoever starts ahead of Odano.
To me, Pinto, Joseph Pinto, ahead of Tio. Joseph Pinto ahead of Isahaku.
Oh yeah, okay, I know
Bukari and your friend is saying, why be na be bono ho? In terms of experience, Bono ye go.
Go na he asked for that one dear. We don't need a draw.
Ye go mama kan just.
And Isahaku do bakoya na fedo do ko obi on go chance na.
Ana me sure say.
Odu ponu ko so.
Okay, ana me sure say.
Pinto will score
in training session. In training session Isahaku better than Joseph Pinto in terms of scoring.
I would disagree with you.
Look,
on any other day. I would disagree with you.
Joseph Pinto ebo Europe and Isahaku bo Ghana. Konako check one last even 10 goals at one match. Share the technique
when playing for Tema Youth. Konako she goals in the Ghana Premier League.
The technique. Any baby almost for ball. Any the idea behind and sana one shoot here at goal no. Okay, that boy
Isahaku. You are comparing Joseph Pinto Isahaku ball Ghana Premier League to Pinto ball Europe. But I say young man local. Obaha Pinto nearly won or say even won a goal king.
Okay.
Yeah.
When playing for Tema Youth, goes to say Premier League in now no thing.
Go
Europe in the Europa League. Goes on also for Genk. Now no thing.
He
can score more better than Isahaku. The only thing I can say Isahaku could be beating your friend is Pinto. Be a free kick. But say yen se goals in it.
Okay, you be to me actually say that I make her say in young ewie ni nyina no sometimes and no na me feel say Nigeria game am me hu wa han due to the technical advice I want them players no anyhow wa one person one ba be approach away game na one call that is all and no na me hu
so they strategy
so into this particular game no so the idea one the ball Baba Yaran will be different from traveling outside. So in the first half alone,
I'm not.
In the first half alone, the approach of the first half would have been different from the second half. Yes.
In the first game, me as Nigeria 4 came with a strategy. Bomba Pedro Ramako. Yenche Isahaku with and without the ball. Game no.
Yeah, sure.
And now going into this game, Nigeria will push, will press.
For that one, they are going.
And you know, when you are starting Joseph Pinto in AFCON, Pinto or drop it back. Ekoba sa energy na yede yehia. Boroko bo abrante your friend Isaaku. You see a certain Chukwueze, a certain Moses Samu pressing Unya Isaaku to come and support the defense.
Exactly.
Then no more do a brave.
Yes, and I mean,
and Odre so any experience
Anka.
Anani
age no crowd obebre.
Exactly.
Unya Pinto to come and support. And Nina can be. Koloko boy Isaaku a player without the ball can't give no home. Jordan and you now quite ball of late. Jordan and Jai Sanya man without the ball. Jordan ever track it back. Have a body defense. And even here on the right hand side.
Exactly.
Yes, Sapa Yasuese. They will come all out. Moses Simon pressing. Ademola Lukman pressing. Osimhen pressing. One young players will make to a drum and answer.
Miss Ende, Yempai Bo. And said the American, Yempai Bo, and say ye be born pie say because me who say this Nigerian players are near bubo wondia na ye mock one with social media say hey pate yes amate ni jiku yes no me say me who ni say
this players when you don't understand football.
Yes,
and Abeka say ebia
these players today
a good given day
my men for man no na adu ambrem A.K.A my me wie na adu ambrem A.K.A wo mo be say Ghana didn't qualify. Oh no. Oh. Yes. No. Listen. One more say I mean we No. One more say no. Listen. One more say and just one more qualify. Listen. A.K.A. Oh no.
Just call.
Dabi. Tie di okan no. O say minye medjuma ansa na maba citizen no so. So yes.
On an analytical point,
as an analyst.
Okay.
And how I seize the game, no, then that partiality, no, will come in.
Okay, so
yes,
who you know, respect.
A.K.A. And there's no center back in the Ghana team no. Obe to me, I stop this Nigerians from scoring. That one is a fact.
Obi say Anke bought 5 back.
That one.
Anke add Joseph Edu,
that is what
Nana Jikone
Eyo. Eno Nana make say Edu bebwa.
Amate ho.
Yes.
Nanke yenya. Oh yeah, attack. When even we attacking, yes, yeah, careful. You have 3 solid central defenders.
Yes.
It's the full backs, you know. Right back, left back, but my joining
and midfield. And no bet to me, and then also bet to me, my attack and also no, I efficient.
Yes.
Your attack no be looking more promising.
Pateni either Kudus or Chireno ever joining. The forward, you know. Now still no Baba Idris or no still be about that holding midfield. Yes. Now still another central defender. I'm come be amada sujina.
So what you say? So you ko an attacker. You bet me about 4 players. I want more
up front.
Yes.
Now still you another 4 defensive line. Now I want to defend this.
So what you say? But okay, this Ghana me say there's no way today. That one there. Oh no. There's no way today. This Nigerian side. There's no way today. This Nigerian side, you know, one moving to me and you go. So Nigeria, they are going to score. One more first goal already in the first half. Oh yes, Nigeria beshe Ghana. Nigeria beshe. Then Ghana, your problem say they are making if Sanyo mani nyina be patebenya dani free roll kudusu no beba then yenya free roll Nigerian defense, you know, I mean who you know. She interested yen to me go. Young na yen your man anko ye on that day. Yen na yen your man anko ye.
Okay.
So Ghana probably will also get a goal, but from that side, okay, the partiality and being a Ghanaian, I expect Ghana say this time anye ye because Nigeria for no asu die that one son eswatch in Ghana. Why? Because any other draw a scoring draw biano goes against them, and a scoring draw another 30 minutes opportunity. And Nigeria baby one more no that draw now be one
okay for
and never president na Akufo-Addo Michel nim say Ghana be qualify
for his excellency.
Michel nim say yes Ghana be to me qualify on a unity. Ghana, we are not going to concede less than 2 goals and less than 2 goals. Oh,
and I was saying, can I draw? Bremna me my telephone to me 0551 667755 0551 667755. Hey, what is that? So you 0270 191 971. Obviously, I hear you. And then I sorry for me. You know, me you know, free now just say. Yeah, and 0270 191-971. Maxwell Afedi about on Facebook. I say, okay, good afternoon. Please keep the good work doing. Well done, Enko and Famamo. Nana Kwame so apart. I say, watching you live from Manfin. Total filling station. More fire. And so Enko and Famamo. Kwakwa Williams. I say, inshallah. I also need about Chima Ghana. Ebe qualify. Nana Kwame, there was Ghana 2. Nigeria 0. Nidia. And also, what to me, Eddie Abba. Prof. Daniel, I am fortunate. I say, great work. Let the chief flow. The English is too much. And also, Nidia, Abba, I just say.
Much as you're talking of the Black Stars, which I know say you be winning. Let's not forget, there's midweek, the Ghana Premier League.
I join the Premier League.
Wow.
I join that team now for that World Cup. I mean, can message you now? Yama twice wa. Well, see, good afternoon, staff. I got a message. They be a message. We can not quite them. I mean, for you. Oh, Zuba. Oh, one connect to me. Connect to me. Nah, yeah. 0551-66-7755. 0551-66-7755. And now 0270-191-971. Hello. Hello. Okay. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Pacho. Dini baby afrefi.
Shime Kenya Warrior Junction back up.
Master TMO, every mind you.
Yo, Michia, only a big waffle in na. The Nigerian full of your dollar for only. In this state of 60,000 was over my 1,000 each. Hey, not just a wolf for come be as so obey. And never Yankopon of the pigeon. So you know, Yankopon will be that's the next time I got a thing I can your command, I didn't have woman. Town home the rock of town with it. If it's bone song, that is a Ghana. Frank Alunkwa and the Yahi, Yamin Shramo.
Yamin Sham, so Master Timo, so to me, Fred by 0551-66-7755. 0551-66-7755. And at 0270-191-971. Miss me, hello. Hello. Zuba. Hello. Hello. I'm so on Timmy. Papa. Oh, may the meaning and Baku Crankum and Kawam. Meaning good. I'm very well. Nana, Mammy, tell away from my Ducrum. Yanko Padum, Yahuye said Ducrum Boko. Nana, I'll tell me.
I say, football is actually a couple of Magana for me. They say you see numbers. You can't come and now be pilling bobo. Just nation old one, a black star, just yellow one, and a wood sooner. Gonna be me.
Can I say, Nana, so ultimate for back, Nana Bois 0551-66-7755. 0551-66-7755. It's a good afternoon, staff. A.K.A, please, so you are more than a professional, not even your tone or voice. That is why I can't wait to listen to you, bro. Keep it up. May God help you. But for Ghana Black Stars game, it is quite unfortunate that their qualifying is very slim. And if they want to qualify, they should forget. Hello.
Hello, Macho.
And so, Bacho, dini baby afrefi. Ebru boko ewie.
I boko. Bartun machine. Basa the anyway about international again on Nigerian phone into everyone. But I don't know. I'm sure for the family.
Yamisha Wonso. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, okay.
Good afternoon. Udini baby afrefi.
Afternoon, your friend Kwaju. My first year crop point
Kwaju, my interior.
Crop a fantastic analysis, but make a chance and Ghana will qualify.
So on Ghana, I say Kufu Adunti Ghana qualify.
Okay, Kufu Adunti Ghana.
Hey, what yeah, Mister. And the friends that didn't birthday. Yeah, shouldn't do Yaga crab every go. Hey, Ghana. Okay, we are not visa at us, baby. As a Zuba fan and hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon, Bajodin, baby. Afrefi.
Yeah, Ibrahim, it's a free phone.
Oh, Ibrahim.
Yo.
Oh, now I'm in Kakra.
Yeah, team for.
Yeah, that's it.
Sometimes super fresh. I won't even go through
network now. I'm fan chair. I'm out for network.
Yeah.
Tell you, Mambo call.
Oh, Charlie, if you are able.
Okay, my you.
I'm saying so. We should be Black Star, especially Omo ball game. No, see, Omo one of the best Ghana enya. So because Omo ball no chair now, so Omo ni Omo pa. It's a credit to us. Now, so we should Nigeria or no what see the or polish Nigeria. I say, minimum in Nigeria near. Master Muso almost royal. Almost royal, because you go one year. I say you more bring.
About one I qualified.
One him say Italy and team qualify. And we should underrate our team. Moreover, so president Manyan GSA or president Considio or president onu ni bad luck ni the service ni bad luck ni the nyekra edi ene be show 1 year be na qualify.
Okay, Ibrahim, yes, yeah, that's it. So no utimi afre pai. My main rapia po ha. Ajwa. Yeah, then I can for game no. About 430 years, I'm better than
yes, Ghana be qualified by all means because Katani dey address I was say me call Katapa.
Katani be call, but my John na me for ha. Hello, ebi ano no try ticket am. Hello. Hello,
good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Pacho. Dini baby Afrefi.
Pacho, we think the good Francis don't have Lampard.
Lampard, my you.
Yo, and then or the mobile thing, but trust Ghana say you need to make your go because we should Nigeria for what matters in Nigeria African Cup of Nations qualifiers and then the World Cup qualifiers now. Why not do who?
Lampard and when you so Chewa Ghana beat me qualify. I don't know. Passed. Has it passed? Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon, Bajoni baby Afrefi.
Good afternoon. You're from Bobra.
Hey. Bobra, you are crying. What here?
BBI Boko.
Hey, my dear.
Yo. And then Blaster, you baby. One was a son, I secretary side. Team no from AFCON. Everyone's everywhere. No be any impose. That Friday we are match na your boy and you bet my boy and home audience. Ubia Bubrasa and Mitia. But also players na your friend or Momoko Park and so will be a bomb home audience. Send a baby on to me. On to my show one cast on when yam. And see, no match ya your quid, no. And ye better now, so no, we will say, ye baby.
Okay, yes, yeah, that's it. I don't know. Yes, sorry, sir.
I wish all the Black Stars well. Nah, mefa kwenye ada Nana Getia ase Brekum Chelsea Onano President yeah medana si bebre Uncle Joseph Munina medamasi Brekum yejina kono ye ne Accra to folk which is Wednesday or China midweek nti obiambra Brekum Chelsea ye be sha Accra to folk as for that one because it's your home no ye in Lucy just like Black Stars so be share we nti let's all rally behind the Black Stars and we'll go to Qatar sure.
Okay, and also we must say good afternoon. I am Emmanuel from Ebrew. Ghana will win 3 goals because the new players are very good. And also KB, I know I didn't know but Minchia Yakui, Minchia Loretta, I know HT show no Kufu, Bium Pauti, and I feel so a slim soldier, and so no bar, or maybe Bium Papa, almost so no 80 you know said yeah Blaster qualified I'm there I saw she about crew papa and you know I want pass into me sorry I'm yin in film now bibi I say we be she knew about any asem some of them say support it I can to be if we are not Blaster so qualified I saw pam and a baba crew ha and also and no but say no and you know Black Star your mom pa mom na bibi anso no entumi enye kama but yakwe mama we say nana afia insura ansa ene birthday na we free ne mama Liza Brown ona ne papa na fe ninua yes ninua keke almost we say nana afia insura ansa happy birthday yenyina ya we say no mene kwa bia munya ya we say nana afia insura ansa happy birthday nyakupo nhyia pa na yone kese ebusia ni nyina so mo do osukuufo teacher fo nyina so mo do papa nti na afia insure ansa nyakupo nhyia na yone kese happy birthday enso enko emfa emao yede besi ebo eye no 95 better than say nothing so no let the pre-match discussion about 5 p.m. commentary about and then there's about me one but send it here no there bibi abe be on social media and sign it here bibi abe be on social media and sign it here Zuba wo there and I would issue there say how executive producer Ira Kofi Anson for head of sports producer extraordinaire Jana Kofi Okoya Juman Krobi Asante Oteneka Papa the Fresh the writer commentator TWC for short on also issue wo the wrong pass grand fan on Sansona Ezanam Ajua Pokuya Opoku and so no eba ya ni Oteneka che o che ne dressing na ofama na hey Black Star dan akoma so na fadia Mr. Mafo Asbe si wo kroma papa DJ Zikibi Sansona Real Vibes Donzi Abigail ni kagumusa on Facebook what no dey atoa no picture ni amane ade comment ne ba na me so me kai dey gum abi aya dey Sansona nana odamia ese boy chidom ama dwumadi en etumi ekọ so yakọ dey say bompa ma Ghana emu odin Ghana yikura one goal but Nigeria penalty mufanto entwen na bibi anse na ekọ so edi na Kelvin ampon said you beat my frame A.K.A you try about 4:30 sharp the better national film pre-match discussing Ghana against Nigeria. Yeah, so it's about 5 p.m. na live commentary. So no, etuitia. Muchumka.
From the government of Ghana, Ghana National Petroleum Corporation. GMP